is my custom Mercedessource fender cover. We've been selling this for a few years now. And every once in a while, I get a customer email Kaya and say, hey, can you have your dad sign this? And you know, I'm flattered, and of course, I don't mind doing that. But I have to be around for that to happen. So we just now got this revision of the fender cover, and we're calling it the body protection cover, because you can put this anywhere on your body. You can put it on the dash, trunk, top, whatever, and put tools on the car, and you're not going to worry about scratching the paint. Now, how many of you are going to admit that you actually put things on your car, and when you do, you're either nervous or feeling guilty? I mean, I have to admit, I've done it a couple times. I kind of like, you know, carefully put a tool on the car and hope it doesn't slide and scratch the paint. So what I've been doing today is, look, on a Saturday afternoon, I thought, well, I'll just come out and sign these. Now, this is a limited production run of these body covers of 50. And I'm going to sign and number the first 50. I don't even know if we'll continue to sell these. It all depends on the response. But at least today, I'm going to take a couple hours here and sign and number all 50 of these. So if you're interested in getting either one of these covers, be sure and check them out on my website.